Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Ferdinanda Satria Hawandi. On this video, I will present about the branch of linguistics and its syntax. First, let's start from the definition. Syntax is the principle of arrangement of the constructions formed by the process of derivation and inflection of words into the larger construction of various kinds. Syntax has higher level than morphology. In morphology, we learn about the structure of words, while in syntax, we learn about the arrangement of words. The next topic is immediate constituent analysis. Immediate constituent analysis is one of the established methods of analyzing sentence that highlights the fact that sense is not conveyed not only by the dictionary meaning of words, but also by their arrangement in patterns. For example, the white birds fly away. On this example, the first division of immediate constituent would be the white birds and fly away. The immediate constituent of the white birds are the and white birds. And the next level of the white birds is white and birds. So, let's start from the next topic. Phrase structure grammar. Phrase structure grammar is a type of generative grammar in which constituent structures are represented by phrase structure rules or rewrite structures. For example, the cats chase the mouse. There's the noun. The nouns are cat and mouse. The verb is chase, and the termination is the. This is the arrangement of sentence. Sentence is formed by noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase is formed by noun and determination, and verb phrase is formed by verb, determination, and noun phrase. The next topic is transformational generative grammar. Transformational generative grammar is a set of grammar rules that are used when basic clauses are combined into more complex sentences. For example, I parked my car near the park. I parked my car near the park in front of restaurant. The next is kernel sentence. Kernel sentence is the simplest form of a sentence that conveys only one idea. It is always active and affirmative. It can transform into the other forms. For example, Rico ate an apple. This is the positive form. Rico didn't eat an apple. This is the negative form. Did Rico eat an apple? This is the interrogative form. Didn't Rico eat an apple? This is the negative interrogative form. The apple was eaten by Rico. This is passive form. The apple wasn't eaten by Rico. This is negative passive form. Was the apple eaten by Rico? This is interrogative or passive form. And wasn't the apple eaten by Rico? This is the negative interrogative passive form. Okay. Now let's talk about the last topic. It's about syntactic process. Actually, there are 4 major processes, but I will take 3 of them. The first is conjoining. Conjoining is combining certain parts of 2 or more sentences. For example, the final soccer match will be held tomorrow. The opening ceremony of Junior Tennis Cup will be held tomorrow. If we combine them, it will be the final soccer match and the opening ceremony of Junior Tennis Cup will be held tomorrow. The second is embedding. Embedding is combining the constituent sentence into the matrix or basic sentence. For example, the game of robbers was arrested. This is the self-embedding. And that robbed the bank. This is the next thing. So the next thing is taken by self-embedding on the center. The game of robbers that robbed the bank was arrested. And the last is recursion. Recursion is putting sentence inside other sentence. For example, that boy is my friend. That boy who is running at park is my friend. That boy who is running, whom I met at park, is my friend. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation video. I hope it can educate us, especially for myself. But I am so sorry if there are some mistake on this video. Thank you for your attention and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.